ForEver happy family. Welcome back to our channel. And for those of you that are new, I'm Jim. And today I'm going to share with you my recipe for, it's called 10-minute pickled jalapenos. And I'm telling you, once you do these, you're not going to worry about doing the standard pickled jalapenos ever again. So we love to have them on sandwiches. At least that's our preferred method, but you can eat them straight out of the jar. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's make some pickled jalapenos. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine a cup of water, a cup of white vinegar, and then I've got two mashed cloves of garlic, two tablespoons of sugar. Now, if you like your jalapenos, if you're really into something hot, then you probably want to take this down to 1 tablespoon. If the jalapenos you get are really spicy, the best way to control that is going to be the sugar. So we usually, the jalapenos that we get out of the garden, we use about 2 tablespoons. Gives us the right heat and sweetness. But if the jalapenos you're working with are really spicy, then you can add more sugar or take it away depending on how hot you want the end result. So we use 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then one last thing is a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to bring that to a boil. So, well, let's let it boil. So we've brought it up to a boil. Now we're going to add our jalapenos. Just going to let them cook just for a little bit, and then we're going to take it off the fire here and set it aside, and we're going to let it kind of sit for about 8 minutes or so. Alright, so we let these things sit for about 8-9 minutes or so. So now we're going to transfer it into the jar. Now I'm just using a regular Prego jar that we cleaned out. Doesn't have to be a canning jar or anything special. All right, and you can see it's not a whole lot. We don't, you know, we can go through these pretty quickly, and since we grow our own jalapenos, we don't really have to try to make a huge batch or anything. Now it will stay in the refrigerator for up to 2 months, so it's definitely something that's going to last. And so the last part here, we're going to pour the brine that we have there you go. That is our pickled jalapenos right there. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. It's not a whole lot for today, but man, these cool down some. These are going to be great. You know, another thing that you can do is you can sprinkle these on top of salad. We like to have these on salads and ham sandwiches and such good stuff. And so I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got a special recipe on making even the simplest thing, share it down below, right? And let me check it out. Maybe I'll try it. And we love jalapenos, so if you got a recipe for jalapenos, we'll go with that too. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. Hopefully you'll subscribe, ring the bell, and so you'll know when we make more new videos. And just remember that given the times that we're in, stay safe, keep smiling, and be happy.